What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I think we need to talk about Shiba Inu because there's definitely a bigger conversation that we're having now that we have the documents and all of the burn rates in place and how much people are maybe hype about something that could happen or something that won't happen. And, I've seen a lot of comments. I've seen a lot of comments lately, and they're mainly hovering around negativity for Shiba Inu. And honestly, I don't think it's a Shiba Inu problem, but I do see the comments where people are like, hey, I'm waving bye bye to Shiba Inu. I'm done with it. I'm getting out of it because they don't care about it. And honestly, I think people are starting to kind of blend the two together, the ecosystem and Shiba Inu together. You have to understand that Shiba Inu is not owned by anybody. It is clearly, not owned by anybody, but it's starting to, I guess, cloud people's judgment or, kind of just make it kind of fuzzy, like, oh, did they actually create Shiba Inu? It seems like they created Shiba Inu and they're not doing anything for it. It's never been that. It seemed like to me that in the beginning, we all stated that this ecosystem dev team doesn't seem like they're all like gung ho about Shiba Inu and the success of Shiba Inu. They're more about the projects that they create, which is sort of understandable. However, they kind of twist their words to make it seem like SHIB is king in their ecosystem when in reality, something else is. So I don't want to make this video like insanely negative, right? It is going to be negative for the ecosystem dev team, but is it going to be negative for Shiba Inu, right? Are we waving bye-bye to Shiba Inu? Am I letting go of Shiba Inu? Honestly. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Don't forget about some of the other links that are in the description. If you guys want to check out, my Twitter, my Patreon. Also, you can check out some of the referral links for different exchanges if you want to buy, different coins, different tokens. I have various exchanges down below you guys can sign up for, and it'll give me a kickback and you a kickback and all that stuff. But honestly, I wanted to have a conversation about this because it definitely is something that I see, right? I read all the comments. I can't respond to them because, there's scam artists in the comment section, as well as people that are trying to just push you to Telegram or WhatsApp and all this other stuff, which is a problem. And I will address that. But I think people say all of these things because maybe it's something that they thought from the beginning, but it seems like they're kind of blending the two together, right? You have Shiba Inu over here, you have the ecosystem dev team over here. And the ecosystem dev team did not create Shiba Inu, do not own Shiba Inu, right? They may own some Shiba Inu to see what happens, but they don't own Shiba Inu. Nobody can change it, nobody can adjust it. Who owns Shiba Inu? That's the real question. And it's us. Any investor that has invested in Shiba Inu owns Shiba Inu. Do we get to change anything? No. Do we get to push this thing forward or propel this thing forward with the money that we are putting forth? Yes, right? We see Shiba Inu that has over 1.3 million holders. And from the beginning, since the beginning of this being created without Bone, without Leash, without the metaverse, without Shiboshis and all of these other things that they created, since the beginning, there has always been people that have been trying to convert the amount of holders, the amount of users, the amount of investors that we have on Shiba Inu or in Shiba Inu to whatever other project. There's always been that. Now, whether that project was going to kind of push support back to Shiba Inu or not, right? There has been many projects that have shown that they were going to support Shiba Inu. We haven't really supported that because we thought of the ecosystem dev team as the end all be all. They are the creators of projects. And if they don't create something, then it's not 100% valid, which I understand where people are coming from, right? We shouldn't have thought that way, but we were kind of forced to think that way. And the reason why we were forced to think that way was because there's a lot of scams that are out there. And if people are creating something You don't know if they're legit. You don't know if they're going to give back to Shiba Inu in a way, right? You have the coffee company, you have different tokens that are created, you have businesses that are launched and supposed to give back to Shiba Inu. Are they legit? And honestly, you couldn't say that they were, right? You had no type of information to tell you if they were legit. But the ecosystem dev team here, they were looking to use SHIB as the face, and it made SHIB look like it was theirs. It was their baby. But it wasn't from the start. It was about what they were creating. From the moment they said go, it was about Bone, Leash, the metaverse. Their entire plan laid out everything else, did not talk about SHIB at all. Find a use case for SHIB in the metaverse. We still don't know what that would have been. We had a Shiba Inu game that did not benefit SHIB at all, right? You have Shiboshis, did not benefit SHIB at all. And I'm not trying to, attack the ecosystem dev team or, Satoshi or whatever. I just don't think that we should have made the mistake in following that as the end all be all. It's like this. If we wanted to compare it to a situation, let's say I made sunglasses, right? These sunglasses I ended up selling to Walmart, right? Walmart is the only place that's going to sell them. That's the only place that's going to sell them. Well, now Walmart says, you know what? We made all the orders or whatever. We're not going to sell them. What's going to happen? Everything's really going to collapse. The only difference is that we are the holders. We're the one that's creating the revenue, right? So for them, we have, Shiba Inu, we're holding Shiba Inu, but we care about this overall project, not the ecosystem behind it. So I kind of compare it to that. It's a little bit different, right? You can't really compare any type of business to cryptocurrency, but hopefully that does compare in a way, because I kind of lost myself on the way through. But I'll tell you that honestly, what I think about what has happened right now with all the documents and showing what the burn rate will be and how it will affect Shiba Inu in such a way, it seems like there will be a larger support for Shiba Inu within this overall fee that you have of 1 cent or less than 1 cent. But what is that honestly going to do for SHIB? Nothing really. It highlights the fact that Bone is probably going to be the most important thing here and utilized heavily, even though that may not be utilized heavily with only 1 cent, right? You're only going to need 100 Bone or something like that for the lifetime of you trading on Shibarium. So maybe it won't even create that much of an impact. But seeing that, it really doesn't give us, oh, SHIB is going to blow up from Shibarium. It gives us is it really going to have an impact type of mindset? So honestly, to give my opinion on if I'm going to say bye-bye, or all of the comments that say, I'm leaving Shiba Inu, I'm getting out of Shiba Inu, I don't care about this project. Honestly, the whole point that I've been trying to make throughout this video is that they're separate, right? Just because the ecosystem dev does something else doesn't mean that it's the end all be all for SHIB. Anything could happen to SHIB, and we can't really fully explain it then, right? If we see the true creator come out here, right? What if it's Vitalik, and then Vitalik comes out and says, all right, well, you know what? I want to burn all of the Shiba Inu tokens right now, or I want to do this with this. This position is going to support Shiba Inu in such a big way. We don't know what's going to happen. That's what makes it interesting. The unknown is what makes it interesting, as well as the fact that we are at a lower price. Shiba Inu blew up because the community blew up, and the community is still strong, if not stronger. So the fact that you think we can't get back to 0.00008 with less supply than what we had before, right? I believe we can get back to that point. I believe we can get back up to, it would be losing a zero would be a 50 billion, $60 billion market cap, which I believe we can get to, right? We've been to a 40 or $50 billion market cap, and I believe we can get up to that point with 1.3 million holders, almost 1.4 million holders. So honestly, I'm not waving bye-bye to Shiba Inu. Yes, I have short-term Shiba Inu that I'm probably going to wave bye-byes throughout the gain period, throughout the bullish momentum that we see in the crypto market, but we haven't even hit that yet, right? So just wait. I think I think it's going to be big. So there's some people that are saying, look, I'm out, and I respect it. I understand. You can do whatever you want. It's your money. It's your investment. I've never been that type of person to say, hey, you need a diamond hand and don't let go, or you're dead to me, or any type of thing. If you want to get out of the investment, get out of the investment. But understand that the ecosystem dev team and Shiba Inu are separate. Do not look at them as the same, right? One should benefit the other because they use them their whole entire life to build off of or to grow their pockets, or build the money that's in their pockets in their bank account. They should be helping out Shiba Inu, but they're not. So my honest opinion is that I don't think we'll be waving bye-bye to Shiba Inu. I'm not. I could tell you I will be finding ways to take profit in certain levels, but no, right now I'm not getting out of it because Shibarium's not going to burn what I thought it was going to burn. And what I thought it was going to burn was lower than, what everybody else thought, right? I have more of a realistic perspective, and no way did I think that the transaction fees or any fees in general were going to cost less than 1 penny. Just make them. I can break this down in what I would do if I were them. And I understand that you want a certain thing for like gases, but then you also still want to make it cheaper than any other option that's out there. But if you establish it cheaper than any other option earlier, you can still find success while also burning off Shiba Inu, while also doing whatever you want with Bone and making Bone more valuable. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening to me, because I didn't show anything on this video. But I do appreciate it. So hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Again, I read all the comments. I don't necessarily respond to all of them, but I do read them. So anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.